Okay. Now is my chance. Okay.
Got a bellyache, have you?
Oh no. Where are you? Okay, we have this. Now I have to go.
Watch out! A thief!
No! I am not a thief. I am not a thief. Close the door.
I see a thief! God!
I think I failed.
Help! Arrest that thief!
I think I failed.
A locked chest. I'll need a lockpick to get into that. Fritz might have one.
Where is Fritz? Let's eat. I am not. Hello?
You! Don't move a muscle!
Fuck me.
Surrender! You'll have to answer for your law breaking.
I'm warning you! Give yourself up!
I am so sorry.
Someone saw you stealing. You should have thought twice about what you were doing. That will land you a fat fine.
This
Fuck
is surely no way to treat one of Sir Radzig's men. I dread to think what he'll do when he finds out.
Sure. And you think that makes you above the law? Think again.
That's too much. I don't have that much coin.
Well, it's a jail cell for you then.
Jail? Alright, let's go and get it over with quick.
Get moving.
First thing I do, I go to jail.
Hand over all the stuff you stole.
No way.
Maybe next time you'll think twice about stealing.
But I need the axe. He hasn't paid for the axe. He's the one who's robbing. Oh, it's getting hot in here. I have to turn on the AC.
Hey! I'm over here! What the hell's going on? Let me out!
Well, I love this game because that thing didn't happen for me the first time. I succeeded in stealing those things.
Let me out!
What will happen now? Oh my god. What's going to happen? Am I dead? What? That's... Oh my god. You have died in jail.